Hello, I'm Jan Møller from Lopolight. I'm here to talk about a improvement of our webshop. So the quick order has become faster, and the way we do it is to use Excel to enter your product, your orders into the webshop. So essentially, the former quick order menu item has disappeared. The new smart card is here. And this is basically a sign of efficiency and speed, because you can go to this quick order, and the normal quick order where you can dial your known product number in for faster has been superseded by an even faster one where you can add to cart from an Excel spreadsheet. So basically press this button and you get this box, and the idea is that you fill this box with something from your Excel spreadsheet. So I've made a small spreadsheet with two columns with the part number and the quantity you wish to order. And you basically copy that and paste it. Some of you will notice that there's a product that doesn't exist that is marked in red. It's just to cheat the system to see whether it knows it. So I go to the back to the web shop. I Control V for paste, and boom, things are already there. And I'm even sitting on a very slow internet connection. The cheat product has been found and rooted out, so I'll just delete it. And now you have everything that was on your spreadsheet is now on the web shop. Now you just need to add it to the cart. Um, and because I'm sitting on this slow web shop, it takes a little while for the cart to be updated. Now you can see all the products, and here you can see everything is in the cart, and I can just dial in my purchase order number and my comments, accept the terms and condition, and you can place the order. That was quick, am I right? Have a good day.